Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm your demonstrator. I'm Shilami Boris Ginita. And now, let's proceed to our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to A. Define habitat. B. Identify plants and animals in their habitat. C. List a variety of plants and animals that lives in a certain habitat. Our topic for today is plants and animals in their habitat. For our activity, who's know about the habitat song? Okay, everybody's know. Very good, class. And now let's sing together the habitat song. There are many different habitats around the world, such as forests, deserts, Arctic, habitats where living things live and grow, habitats that provide water and shelter, different habitats around the world, such as forests, deserts, Arctic, habitats where living things live and grow. For our activity, I show you some of the pictures to identify plants and their habitat. Plants that live land, water, and air. Plants in their habitat. Tell where each plant grew. Write L for land, W for water, A for aerial, WL for water and land. Write your answer to our chat box. Number 1. Orchids. Correct. Aerial. Number 2. Bromeliads. Correct. Aerial. Number 3. Venus flytrap. Correct. Land and water. And number 4. Sunflower. Correct. Land. Number 5. Guso. Correct. Water. And number 6. Rose. Correct. Land. And number 7. Lucky bamboo. Correct, class. Land and water. All your answer is correct. Most of the plant and animals live in area with a very specific climate condition, such as temperature and rainfall pattern that enables them to thrive. Any change in the climate of area can affect the plants and animals living there, as well as the makeup of entire ecosystem. Some of species are already responding to a warm climate by moving closer location. For example, some North America animals and plants are moving farther north or the high elevation to find suitable place to live. Climate change also alter the life cycle of plants and animals. There are some animals or plants will adapt the changing condition or move somewhere, but others could have trouble surviving. Another activity. Match the animal with the correct habitat. Number 1. Monkey. What is the habitat of monkey? Forest. Very good. Number 2. Camel. Desert. Correct. Number 3. What is the habitat of dolphin? Ocean. Correct. And number 4. What is the habitat of frog? Fresh water. Correct. And number 5, what is the habitat of crocodile, turtle, and frog that also can live land and water? Amphibians. Very good, class. All your answer is correct. Habitat can be referred to as a home. This is a home that is a natural environment in which an animal, plant, and other organism lives. Animals are found our home, farm, and school, and community. They live in different places like water, land, both on land and water in air. Plants also grow in different habitat. It also provides the organism that lives there with food, water, shelter, and space to survive. Animals live in different habitat. Some on land, they are referred as land or terrestrial animal. The body structure of animals enable them to live in particular place. For example, those with 4 legs like cattle can live on land. The legs enable them to graze over grassland, walk and run. Cattle have hair as body covering that protect them from the heat of the sun. Water or aquatic animal, such as fish, clams, starfish, squid, shark, and tilapia, lives in water. They have a different body covering, such as scale, shell, and skin. Frogs live paddies, pond, river, and are classified as land water animal. They have 4 legs with webbed feet for swimming but also use the sum of walking to moist soil. Their skin protect them with they live in water for a short time. There are also animals that can fly, stay in the branch trees like bird and insect. There are aerial animal. Both have wings from movement from one place to another. Plants also grow on land, water, and air. Millions of plants grow around us. Land plants are naturally found on grassland, forests, and desert, and the man-made communities like orchards, farm, and generated forests. The most aquatic plants are algae that grow in the sea or in the fresh water, like fern and lakes. These plants have no vascular tissue to transport water to plant body parts, hence they need to live in water. It develop roots that anchor them on stem above the ground. These absorb moisture from the air. These are referred as aerial plant. Another activity. Complete the table below. I show you some of the picture. Very good, class. All your answer is correct. Another activity. Classify the following as to where these animals and plants live. Write your answer in the table provided. Very good, class. All your answer is correct. For our evaluation, write smile emotion if the statement is correct. Write sad emotion if the statement is wrong. Number 1. Animals and plants live in different habitat. Number 2. There are no animals can fly and stay in the tree branch. Number 3. Animals that live on land is referred to as aquatic animals. Number 4. Aquatic plant is a plant that grow in water. Number 5. Orchid is the example of aerial plant. For assignment, draw one example of aerial, terrestrial, and aquatic plant and pass your answer to our next class.